Okay, so I don't want to compress it all, and I know it's gonna peak a bit for a second and stuff, but I'm hoping like the audio is gonna be more clear than anything. It's gonna have a few peaks, it's gonna have a few things here and there. It's gonna be a little loud, because I really want it to be a little loud. I want to be able to be heard, and well, that shouldn't be too bad a thing, is it? I'm gonna just edit the filter so that the music is not attacked as much. And okay, we should be good. We should be good. Now the music doesn't seem to be attacked as much, and we should be at the right level. At the right level. Okay. Let's begin, shall we? First, let's go open up what we got. Add point of code. Let's log in there so that we get the correct stuff, and I don't look like an absolute maniac who's doing just random shit. I'm gonna use GitHub to do it as I try. Oh, why does it want a verification code? Oh, damn it! A verification code, Tom. Maybe I should. I'm gonna still put the decibels a little bit, so I don't come out as harsh. I just want to be at the yellow. Okay, fine. The gain should be much better right now. So 47. Ugh, imagine it's so bad. Is there a way for me to check? Let me just open up YouTube pretty quick. This is gonna be bad, guys, and I'm so sorry. I actually do like it, but wait, how do I check my YouTube videos? Why am I not able to go to my profile? Where are my videos? Oh, I can't see myself live. I really cannot. I cannot find my live stream. I mean, your channel. Okay. Let's click on the live thing as I mute myself over here so that it doesn't become that much of a problem. Oh damn, hi, what's up, love? Why can I not see the fucking chat stream? Yo, what's up? It's been a while. We're doing some Advent of Code. Why can I? Oh, I cannot see the chat. That's insane. The chat box should work. You should be there. Should be somewhere here. Huh. I mean, maybe you left the chat, but it's all right. Not using too much of the CPU. I'm gonna quickly actually open up the YouTube chat on the side so that so I can so it turns I thought I could see the chat in the back. Oh, of course that happens to me. Can I just go to my thingy? Go if I'm live. Wow, I cannot. Okay, perfect. So I can see myself live now. Oh, you are here. Perfect. Now I can see the chat on the right. That was very weird. I should be able to see it on Streamlabs, but I'm not able to see it on Streamlabs. So I think I'll need to keep the chat open somewhere, which is mildly disappointing, which is mildly irritating as well. Yeah, I think the chat box should be connected, right? Always show messages. Perfect. Chat delay. No need for delay. Hide delays. Clean. Perfect. I think we should be able to see the chat on the side now. Okay. Perfect. Alright, let's do some Advent of Code. I'm also gonna put up some music so that it's not completely boring. I can't believe you actually got the message for like the whole thing. Yeah, that's cool, I guess. Oh, my mini feed doesn't give me chat. I don't like them enough. I don't like the mini feed anymore. Yeah, the mini feed should show me the stuff, but it's not. So, no, I'm not in Dubai right now. I'm in Hyderabad. Yeah, I was in the UK for a bit, and that's kind of where I was just doing my stuff a little bit. So yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna. Oh, 1 second. Just give me a second and just go call. Yeah, I think I should go back to Twitch because Twitch is like easy to kind of set up as well. Like, why is it not getting my like? It's clearly says, hey, you have a chat box on the live scene. I'm on the live scene. Why does it not work? Nobody freaking knows. This is like absolutely irritating. Like, I should be able to like, there should be like a chat over here on the left hand side, but it's just, yeah, like I don't see you. I don't see a chat in the mini feed. It's just like, I don't know what it wants. Does it want me to go premium? I guess like, what's going on? One second, let me check. Let me see if I can add a separate chat box. God. Yeah, okay, so now it's loaded up. What? Why didn't the earlier chat box work? I'm so irritated. That's like, okay, so that means the alert box will also not work. That's freaking stupid. That's absolutely stupid. Okay. Hopefully the chat box is still working. Imagine if it's not. 1 second. Hey, Dad. Okay, perfect. Now we can even see the chat. Okay, 1 second. Why does this always happen? When you start doing something, people just keep calling you again and again, huh? Okay. All right. Okay, let's try and solve these problems right now. All right, so we are doing Advent of Code for a bit. Advent of Code. I'm hoping still my voice is pretty good, but I'm gonna quickly reduce the volume on the music as well. Anyway, let's do some Advent of Code. Advent of Code is supposed to be a God knows how many day challenge for things. So I'm on day 3 right now, but I've been doing it on my Mac. So now I need to kind of clone it to my Windows device. And the only thing that works on my Windows device that is actually usable for C++ is a Visual Studio. For some reason, C Leon does not like to listen to me. Later on, I will be doing some gaming love. So if you want to kind of I said love. Yeah, so if you want to play some Valorant or some shit, just tell me what you want to play and maybe we can play some games together. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly go to my repositories. Oh, so the chat is gonna be on a delay. That's interesting. Okay, I can work with that. So I'm gonna quickly open up my Visual Studio. Not my Visual Studio. I'm gonna spell Workspace F. Let's create in Workspace. Let's create a new folder. Oh, you can't play. What happened? Yo, in Canada? What the fuck are you doing in Canada? Oh, I need to make this also bigger. Is there a way to make this? Yeah, there we go. So people can see that shit. Good clone. We're in Canada. Okay. LS. Oh, DI. Oh, LS works. Huh? They started allowing LS to work. Oh no, I have Linux subsystems. So we can go CD Advent of Code LS. Let's do CMake dash G Visual Studio. Which Visual Studio do I have? Damn, I don't remember which Visual Studio I have. Visual Studio 2022. What was the Visual Studio 20? Visual Studio 2022. You forgot. I know you're Punjabi, man. मैं भी पंजाबी हाँ. धर्म है मेरा कनाडा में जा. बिल्कुल true 100% एकदम. So you're studying in Canada now? I forgot it was Visual Studio what? Visual Studio Visual Studio. I forgot which Visual Studio version it was. What's 2022, 25, 21, 17? I don't know. 17. There we go. It was 17. Visual Studio 17. Visual Studio 17, 2022. Is it like this? Imagine. No, that's not it. Visual Studio 2022, 17. Oh, wait, why am I not looking at the Visual Studio 17, 2022? Yeah, I did that. What the hell? That's what? CMake dash Visual Studio 20 and is it? Oh, there we go. On my okay. I'm on a work visa. Whoa, that's awesome, man. Where do you work? What do you do? What do you do for work? That's bound to happen even if you're not completed your 12th. But that's a good thing. The faster you work, the better it is. Trust me, the more you can actually like do shit, the better it is. Look at me, man. I'm not able to do shit, so I'm here bloody making video of me doing a simple Advent of Code challenge without a job right now. So yeah, let's open the Advent of Code pretty quickly. All right, advent of code. In this schematic, there are two numbers that are not a part of this. All right, I'll have to open TL draw. Damn it. TL draw. Yo, I've been doing quite a few exercises, as you can tell. Need to expand. Okay, what's the question? So let's put this on this side. Apparently, the rect thingy only works on Mac. Okay. Okay, so I've read the question before. The main idea is for each of these types of symbols, these numbers need to be added up. So we need to add the numbers based on those symbols. So we have to first generate a list. Yeah, but then I went to India for then I went to UK for my masters in CS, and I've just got done with my masters in CS. So now I'm just looking for work. That's pretty much what happened in November. I just finished my master in CS, and yeah, no longer working with them. They don't have any opportunities open, therefore I'm still stuck here. So yeah, that's why. Okay, so say we're gonna start somewhere, and what we can do is we can get each of these things. The first, okay, you know what? Let's divide this step by step. The first, I need to actually get the data in a usable manner, and the kind of data that I would like in this usable manner is in some sort of row and column situation. Correct? So let's get in the row column situation, right? So I'm gonna quickly open my Visual Studio. I'm gonna go to advent of code. I'm gonna go to source files, the main.cpp. Could only find main.cpp because oh no, I did day 1 and day 2 header. Perfect. Oh, it still has a read line and everything. I'm gonna still so I'm gonna quickly see what I can need to reuse. These are process lines, read lines. Okay, so read line will push back to a string, create so it'll give me rows and columns because the string is basically character string. So we can still use this. So I've got a string of lines that I can go through, and it'll give me for each row, so I can even get the row before it, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is get rid of the code that I kind of don't give a shit about. So I'm going to quickly go down here. So do we need to process lines? We have to process the lines differently. So this is day 2, I believe. I think I already written everything in day 2. Yes, day 2 already has that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go back here. So we're going to quickly go to visual mode. We're going to do ahead and use the brackets. Okay, so we have the brackets down. So let's just delete the brackets part. Then let's go down and see. We don't need process lines. Okay, you know what? Let's just clean up main as well, except the read line part. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's important. That's important. Get there. You get there. We'll play some stuff later. If you can ever play. Alright. See ya. Well, thanks, man. I mean, it was fun playing with you as well. So, I mean, let's just talk about us playing. Trust me. It's always going to be... there's always going to be a person who'll be willing to chill out with you. You're good now. You're absolutely good now. Love you too, man. Love you too. See you in a bit. Bye-bye. Alright. That was wholesome. That was a wholesome interaction. Yeah, it's playing a lot as kids. So anyway, so we've got read lines, we've got input2.txt. So I'm going to create an input3.txt, which is going to be, I have to remember, we are using Visual Studio, so this might not work at the level of what I like, because Visual Studio likes to keep its stuff next to the solution file, right? So we're going to go ahead and add a new item. It's going to be, what did it do? Please go ahead. I mean, there's easier ways to do this, but I'm still going to do readline because redlining is something I need to kind of get more used to. So we're at source.txt, add a new item. We'll go ahead and call it input3.txt. Now I just want to quickly check, did it add it in association to the solution file? So let's just quickly ls again. We know the solution file is right here and input 3 is right here, so in association with the solution file. So we can just do input3.txt, like just read that. Let's get the input as well from Advent of Code. Get your puzzle input. This is noise. So we're gonna get puzzle input and paste it over here. Beautiful. Looks great. It looks gorgeous. So we have to ignore the dots, but we have to get the signs. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get a bit cheeky. So I'm gonna quickly create an adjacency matrix. So we're gonna go back up and we're gonna create a vector int age int of int. Will it be a vector of vector int? Because adjacency matrix is a 2D matrix. No, but it still needs to. Yeah, no, we can just create an int adjacency matrix, which is equal to. Oh, it needs to be a pair. There we go. A pair, right? Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and quickly do a pair int comma int. So this is gonna give us an xy to kind of work with. So I'm just gonna quickly go up. I'm gonna go ahead and hash. Wait, we have. Isn't pair included in our headers? No, right? Because the vectors don't have a pair. Okay, so we're just gonna pair. Wait, what? I'm hoping pair is just included then. Okay, pair is just included apparently. Pair. So what kind of matrix will it be? So we know that 0, is in the middle. So we can do. So if going left is gonna be -1. Going top is also gonna be -1 because we're gonna minus x minus y. Then we're gonna do a -x0. Oh, can I please do it in my way? I hate it when it doesn't let me do it my way. Minus. Let me do my way. Okay. So we're gonna do -x minus y. Okay. Then we're gonna do. Okay, this is better. And that way there's a 0 here. I'm just gonna quickly tab it out so that again, this is just for me to visually understand what the hell is going on. And we're gonna create an adjacency matrix. This will basically tell us from the current one, is there anything that is adjacent that we can go ahead and deal with? All right. So we're gonna read line. Why is this not fine? Expect that. Oh, so we're gonna do a press that. So we should be fine. So now we have an adjacency matrix. All right. So in the adjacency matrix, what else can we do? So so once we've got the adjacency matrix, we've got the read lines. So what we can go is we can go through. So do we need to check adjacency at the corners? Let's check that. Okay. So this is gonna be a corner. So do we need to check adjacency here? No, because if we start over here, we'll anyway find the numbers, right? So we can go left. Hey, if there's something in the adjacent, go to the leftmost corner where it's still a digit, and then substring it till the right, and then we can do it. All right. So basically, what we will do is, like, say if we find this, so 358 will not count in this case because there's nothing adjacent to it. That's a number. So let's go ahead and create our new function, which will be called. We'll make an in-out function. All right. So we're gonna find. Let's do a bool just to see if it's successful. No, I'm not gonna do it. It's safe. So we're gonna do a bool. Will it? So we need to check. So let's not think too much. Find all valid numbers. All right. Valid numbers, which will take an in out, which will take in of vector string lines, constant vector string lines, because we're not going to be it's a read only, so we're going to do this steering. Wow, that's impressive how I freaking do that. So we're gonna just go visual black, back, delete, I, string. Yeah, I'm also doing that shit. So we're gonna go quickly to the end of there. We're gonna press A, and then we're gonna do a vector int. So we need to sum up all the valid ints. All right, int ampersand. What? Why would I want that as a freaking input? Who creates that as an input? What was that? Int valid nums. All right, we're gonna freaking do that shit. All right, so we created some valid nums int. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with, okay, so the way I know it'll work is for int I is equal to 1, I is less than n minus 1, I plus plus, and okay, so what I want to be sure about is okay, let's write the pseudocode first. I think that was the worst idea that I could have done without going with our pseudocode. Again, we have to accept the fact that I'm not going to be smart. Like, I'm not going to be like instantly great with this. First of all, let's write an int n is equal to lines dot size, because we're taking the vectors n. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do for each line, check if a special character not including top is present. Okay, including is present, then check if there is a number in the adjacent to the character, add the number to the valid nums vector. They just gave me the full code. What? Okay, Jason. Okay, that's something that happened. I find that regarding that code irritating, but I'm not gonna trust it as well. Oh, okay, that was not what I wanted. Delete. Still press enter and return true. Okay, I return true. Oh, so let's do return true. That was not what I wanted. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly check the code because I don't trust Copilot still. So we've got a line length. We've got a, okay, fine. If it's a dot, cool, do that. But the point is, a dot, it can be a number as well. So I said it's, I have to check if it is a special character. No, this is absolutely the wrong code. There we go. This is why you don't trust Copilot. It did not understand what I meant. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to visual mode. I'm gonna quickly go back to visual mode. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, because line.length is fine. Okay. So like, first of all, we're gonna start from, we're gonna replace this with 1. We're gonna replace this with 1. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and check. So we're gonna try to do backtracking. So what are the possible sets of failures? All right, we know that if this goes here, here, but okay, can there be two numbers that are adjacent to the same? No. Huh. Interesting. It doesn't look like it. Yeah, it doesn't seem like they're spaced out so that two numbers never kind of collide. Do I have to? They have to take care if it's all special characters, including plus minus multiplication and division. Plus, yes, and 58. 58 is not adjacent to anything, but okay. Okay, we'll be good. We just check the adjacency matrix to each of these, and we should be good. So I'm gonna quickly say this. We're gonna go ahead and say, okay, for each character, can you just check the adjacency matrix? So let's go ahead and say, if okay, first of all, I don't like the way this one is going, but I need the INJ. Damn it. If lines of I, comma j is not equal, is so C++ is special character. There should be something for is special character, right? So let's see. C++ is special character. Check if it's special character. Da, 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 da. Wow, they're all using regex. Okay. The BSC table. Let's see if that helps me to get things a bit more sorted, because I like ASCII table. All right. So what's the decimal values for special characters? Okay, we've got something that is 33 to 46, but then there's 64. And these, well, that does not help, because input 3, it has $3. Wait, what is alpha do? Is alpha C++? Let me see if is alpha does. Okay, can we test it out? Run and edit. What about, let's try this and run. One second. Let me just see at. So if is alpha, okay, both not an alphabet. So if it's not an alphabet nor a digit, so if not alphanumeric, right? So is alphanumeric. If it's alphanumeric, C++. A loom. Check is a loom. Okay. So, yeah, that works for me. That works for me. That completely works for me. So what I can do is if is alnum if it's not alphanumeric, and lines of I j is not equal to quote unquote dot, then we can further on. So okay. Oh, that was what I did not want. Is a new line. No, expression must be modifiable L value. Wait, to run is alphanumeric. I need a modifiable value. Ugh. Yo, I'm not trying to change anything. Fine, we're removing const. Apparently, we're removing const because I was just not. That's so irritating. Here. Fine. Is alphanumeric char ch? Yeah. What's the problem? What's the problem? One second. So we can go ahead and do I. If is alpha okay. Well, that works. Is alum suddenly works. Check if there's a number adjacent to. Okay, now we know there's a digit. Okay. Let's delete that. Because this is gonna get complicated. Okay. Now is digit. So we need to go left to right. Alright. Fuck. I just realized. Damn it. I'll have to keep going. Go left till you find, then go right. Okay, how do we go left and right? This is wow. This is really showing some weakness in my goddamn skills here, isn't it? All right, so we have to go left till we find. So left is going minus minus. Go then right. So let's go ahead and so what we will do is we'll create a string res. All right, we'll go left. So we'll go left. Go left till we find start of digit. Okay. Well, uh, well, is digit lines okay. Now let's save the int x is equal to x will be rows, y will be columns. So x is equal to j per second into y, because we're moving in the x-axis, right? So x-axis is all we need. Okay. While is digit. Okay. Lines of I. So we just do x minus minus. Oh no, we can just do a string reverse. No, but the problem is we need to even check the right. So you go left, then right. So what about we check left, right, and then join? So we can do a left, right. So basically say if we found there's a number here which says 2, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so we can go left, then we can go right at the same time. So we can save x to go left. Left int x to right is equal to yeah. Okay. Okay, and then reserve reverse. I don't know what's going on anymore. What's wrong with me? Okay. So we join the string. Okay. This is horrifying, isn't it? Let's do this as input 3, and we're gonna just keep it in the same area. Okay, and we're gonna. Oh shit! I just realized I forgot to ignore Visual Studio Files. Ah. Okay, we'll figure this out later. And I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna quickly see if there's something that's even worthwhile happening here before I actually stop pushing things in. F10, F11, right? No. What? Undeclared identifier X. Oh, X2. I'm just gonna quickly do this. No. I'm not even using. Oh. Come on. Come on. Unless it has to be an accessor. Okay, I really want to fix this code because there's no way this ugly code is the actual answer. It's just so bad. I mean, there's no way, right? Can I find file specified? Oh. What was the... Is it capital I? I think that's capital I. Okay, and also can we to a to invalid nums. Okay. Unable to start a program. Do I have to mark this? Where are you? Where are you? Mark as start a project. Where are you? Mark as start a project. Set as start a project. There we go. Why is it like this? I don't know why is it like this. 15. Okay. So found out 0, 1. Okay. So what's the value of j? Four 115. There we go. That's an issue if I've ever seen one. You see? Why 4115? Oh, because I forgot to. Oh yeah. We could possibly fix that by 1. Because then we don't have to copy the same thing again and again. Oh yeah. For some reason this god shit works. Um, okay, so we check for one adjacency matrix. So for every adjacency matrix, we go ahead and add it to, what's the name of the vector? So we do valid, and I'm just pushback value. Okay. Int y is equal to 0, and then we go ahead and we have to go. It's not giving me relative 9 numbers. Oh, that's disappointing. We're gonna go ahead and visual, go back, delete. Okay. Da-da. So we're gonna quickly continue. What's the value here? Why is the value 0? Oh, it's gonna even push back 0. Oh, because I put it in the wrong place. Okay, if I put it here. Oh, why am I putting? Okay. So every time it finds the value, valid nonce push back. Alright, we did. And then every time we can go ahead and we're gonna go ahead. Okay, so value is 0. If it's digit, push back, or else we're gonna fuck around and find out. What just happened? Does it have like a process that is still moving around? This is why I hate Visual Studio. It just keeps the process moving around. What is this? Which process is moving around? There's no process that's goddamn moving around. Subscript out of range. Nope, I completely fucked up my controller. So something went absolutely wrong. Let's close this. Yeah, stop debugging, man. What if it failed to import? I don't know. If I have to restart my whole computer because Visual Studio fucked up, I'm gonna be pissed. I'll be honest. I'm gonna be pissed. I mean, I can get cleaner. Yeah, I can probably get cleaner. Expression, string, substring, subscript, out of range. What? Oh my god. Oh. And right is less than line. And x underscore 2 left is greater than 0. Greater than or equal to 0. So it can go to 0. Let's save this. Abort. Let me see how many times it reaches here. It should be able to reach here a couple times, if I'm right. Okay. 415. Continue. Continue. That's 415 another time. Why is it 415 another time? I just realized 415 should not be the first one. It should be. Yeah. Why is 415 the first one? Should it just start with 0? Why is 415 the first one? Because see, if it's going like this, and then like this. What? If it's not alphanumeric. God, go to the adjacency matrix if it's not alphanumeric. God. Okay, while number 1 is 31. While number 1 is 31. That's correct. Okay, continue. Continue, 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 continue. Do we have 737? We do. Okay. So I'm just gonna add another quick guardrail. I'm gonna put this in -1. Uh, 31. 31 again. Continue. Thirty-one, 183. Why is it 31 twice? 31 because it's adjacent here. Oh, why am I so bad at this? Okay, can we come up with a better solution? Let's try and come up with a better solution. This is absolutely torturous of a solution. Oh God, we found the adjacency, so we need to be able to go ahead and. Are these? There's no way these all numbers are individual, right? Like, I'm already assuming that a law here. Which is the sum of all the part numbers. I mean, okay, let's just run a shot. Control F, 258. The 2 instead of 259. So numbers can repeat. Oof. Okay, how do I deal with this? How do we deal with this? Because see, we need to find a number here, and then if it's in the adjacency matrix, then how do I skip it? Can there be two same numbers in one adjacency matrix? But it can also count diagonally. Oh my God, am I dumb? I think I'm dumb. And there's no saving it. Because see, if there's a number like, we've got 31, 42, 5, 8, 7, 7, 9, and all of these numbers can be considered in all 4 directions. So it'll just keep on repeating. So this number will be repeated literally 3 times according to my adjacency matrix. What do I do? I mean, should I just check if the number's in the same line? Wait, should I? Wait, he said so it can be adjacent like this, like this, like this. Like okay, so even if they're adjacent, they have to still be in a straight line, correct? Yeah. So I can just go ahead and say divide it into 3 lines. Check in the adjacency. I don't even need to check in the adjacency. Like if I find that number, I go to the minus line, current line, positive line, and then sliding window that shit. Wanna just sliding window that shit. Like, oh, if digit, add, if digit, add, till you reach the window. Oh my god, it's a double level sliding window. I need coffee. I fucking need coffee. I should have not been doing this without coffee. It's a double layered sliding window. Okay. So if it hits that, I don't need to check the adjacency matrix. I just go ahead, create. So I create 3 lines. No, adjacency matrix still kind of helps, doesn't it? What if I create a binary search tree? No. That'll be too much. Can I? That'll be so fucking weird. Wait. Wait, what about? Okay, maybe I can use a new data set, like a data structure. What would be a good data structure for this? So what I can do is, I can go through the file. I can basically store 3 bits of information: the x, y coordinates, the length of the number thing, and the length of the whatever. So, say if it's say I can basically ignore the dots, right? I can go ahead and just then I can just basically go ahead and just save, but then the starting coordinate, I can save a vector of this structure, and I can go ahead and say, hey, for everything with a special character, I want to check the -1 to +1 range, and this to this range, and this to this range on that XY coordinate, and see if there are any numbers in that coordinate range. So there'll be a range low and the range high. So we can create a new data structure. We can basically go ahead, and when we're receiving this, we can go ahead and say, oh, if I found a digit in this line, I'm gonna add that digit with its initial XY location and its ending XY location, which is gonna be, of course, gonna be X++, right? And I can go ahead and say, hey, is there any number in that particular range? And I can just list that down, right? That might work. It might be even efficient, because you're doing a read exercise, adding it to a compact memory of vectors, and then sorting them through. I mean, right now you're using 100% of your processor memory, 100 whatever processor memory, right? So why not? Let's link this data structure. So let's call this a. I'm gonna call this a struct. Let's call this point. Let's call it a point. Yeah, let's call this a point. let's call this a point. Let's also go ahead and say value, int value. We can go we can call a struct special character point. So that way we can save the special character and its values. We can also save the special character and its values, and then construct like a BST. I don't know, not a binary search tree. It might make it easier to filter. We can make it a key value pair. That way we can save a value. We can save a value for sure. Now, the point is special character will only have a 1 point on. So the special character will have only 1 point, right? But a value point will have an x1, y1, comma x2, y2. Correct? Yeah. And we can go ahead and say x1, y1, and then we can just go ahead and say and we can go here, yoink, yoink, go to the end, back twice, sorry, it was a comma, okay, we yoink dress over here, we call this okay. So we got x1, y1, y2, x2, y2, right? So now we know exactly like, where the points are going to be stored. Because we can anyway read every line. I'm going to go get myself some coffee pretty quickly. And then we can just basically like just get all the points once and for all. Hash them. And then for every point, every special character, just check according to the adjacency matrix if there's any point in the middle of it. But how does that help? I mean, we can just check between x to y to y to y and just store that, right? Yeah, I mean, I think we can. We'll see. This is one way to come do it. Just give me a second. This is why we can't have nice things. But a cold brew, ooh, unbeatable. All right. Now we don't really need the adjacency matrix also. We just need like, oh, from a point minus minus, what lies in the range of minus minus to plus in that square. It's like a prefix sum, isn't it? Like, we know that we're trying to see it in the square over there, but negate anything outside that square. Like, how do you get a point, the area between? So say you got this whole fucking thing. How do we only get this squared inside it? So we know we have to like negate everything outside this area. How do we basically negate everything outside this area? So we know that anything, so this is x1, right? So anything less than this x needs to be negated, so it has to be greater than that. Then how do we negate this part? Anything greater than x plus d, so then x2 minus x1, x1, right? We'll give it a distance over here. I mean, we do have this point, right? So we'll say anything greater than x2 needs to be negated. Anything less than x1 needs to be negated. This will be the y. Negations. Okay. Kind of works. I think. Imagine. So let's just keep that there. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this whole fucking function for now, because I don't like it. I really don't. So I'm gonna delete this whole function. So we're gonna go ahead and process lines again. We're gonna do a let's do a void. Let's just do a void. Process lines, and we're gonna go ahead and do a const vector string lines. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do. There we go. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Okay. So why does this not like that? Oh, because I don't use. Okay. If line dot slash line plus slash line. Jesus Christ! It'll just do whatever the fuck it wants, doesn't it? First of all, we're gonna do character, so we're gonna do D. Okay. Okay. If not is al num. All right, I have to go through each. So let's do a line size. my god, I hate Copilot right now. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and go underscore. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a visual mode. I'm gonna do a jump towards upstairs. I'm gonna do jump one down, and I'm gonna go into there. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna add I. We're gonna do an if not is alnum lines ij. What is this shit? Okay. If it's not album, it's a special character. Okay. You know what? I want to turn off Copilot so badly. And line I j is not equal to a dot. Alright? If it's not equal to dot, then special character pushback, it'll just go ahead. Else, if is digit lines I j. Point ij, we forgot to do value. Points the pushback point ij. We'll put the stop points, which will be POI and point P P dot x1 is equal to I. P dot x2 is equal to j. P dot y1. My god, y1. So I will be your x, right? Because you basically whatever. So we're gonna do while j plus plus. Wait, if it's going on the x-axis is j. Shit. X-axis is j, y-axis is I. Alright. While is, my god, I hate this. While is this digit line of I j, we'll do a j plus plus, right? Yeah. And then there we go. No j. No, why are you doing j? Okay, SDOR line length will be P dot x1 comma j. What do I do? X1 is the start point, j became the end point, right? So P dot x2 became j, y remains the same, P dot y2 is equal to I. And we have ourselves a point. Now, let's look at this carefully, alright? For each line, if it's a special character, but not the dot thing is special character, it'll push back line with the I and J point. Perfect, first of all. I is X. So right now let's do the J, I. Okay, because we want to maintain XY coordinates. Alright? And if we go ahead, and if it's a digit, it goes ahead. Oh, I found a new point. digit xj, while it's digit j plus plus till we reach a point that it's no longer a digit, because it'll go ahead and say, hey, duck, 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 and then go ahead. Go on the x-axis, p dot value will be the substring of line dot substring from p dot x1. Yeah, line, right? Where's line? I want to say good catch. Lines off. Okay. I am never gonna be happy with my life because of this shit. Because I'm like so slow at coding. I mean, somebody else would have solved this by now in 30 seconds. All right, where are we? Expected a statement. Oh, first of all, I don't care. We're gonna create in-out stuff in a bit. We're gonna go ahead and quickly just process lines. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and create a big point here. Well, expected a statement. Don't know. We should be good now, right? Yeah, we should be good now. Okay. Point size is 1. Where's y1? Ooh. Okay. This is why we cannot have nice things. Seven to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go, we found another mistake. Okay. Continue. 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 character of you. It's a star. That's good. X is 20 and line number 1. Oops. Oh, that's a lot of shake. Line number 1 sounds about right. Okay, sounds about right. Now we can do is we're gonna kind of go ahead and create a vector special character of type ampersand, say special character and then what we can do is we can delete this and we can go over here and pass this on as special characters comments and create a breakpoint here. Boom. Alright. Points. We should be good. We've got values x by y1 now. Now let's find the sum. So now let's find so for each or two let's do you want to do binary search here because I think all the points are kind of arranged. So what we can do is like all the vectors will be arranged like in some sort of like XC, right? Okay, let's just try brute force first. For each point, CH in special car. What? What? Why does it keep doing this? I don't know. Okay, sum is equal to 0. That's what I wanted. Okay. So now what I want to do is so adjacency matrix. Adjacency matrix will make sure that so what do I need? So my x1, y1, what will it be? So if I want to find, say, from here, alright? So if I go here, it'll be -1. So I want to check for all the numbers whose range is my brain is so bad. Ugh. Okay. So what do I want? So say the number is 5. I wanted to check. Say why am I saying X? So let's just say it's at position 3, 3. Okay, so I wanted to check all the numbers. If all the numbers that lie between, so what is over here? So we've got -1, so that should be 2 comma 2. Okay, between 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 4, and then I want all the numbers 2 comma 4. I want all the numbers between 3 comma 2 and also 3 comma 4. I want all the numbers between 4 comma 2 and all the numbers that lie between 4 comma 4. Correct? So I just need this part of the JCC matrix. Okay, so okay, can you stop doing whatever I don't, and I'm just for each so let's just say vector int valid numbers for each auto point in points if p dot x1 is, so for the x side, so let's do the x side first, is oh my god, sticky keys, damn it, I just did this. What is happening? Sticky keys, no, what have you done? No, why? No, don't fill the keys. Apply. Oh my god, that's so irritating.
All.
What was that? Jesus, I hate Windows. I'm hating every. The Mac was so much more fun. I'll be honest. Coding in the Mac is so much more fun. All right. All the numbers are. So now each point is an x1, x2, y1, y2. So if p dot x1 or p dot x2 is greater than ch dot x minus 1, right? ch dot x minus 1 what would be the condition? I swear to God, what would be the condition, yo? The condition would be... Why am I so bad at coding? Sometimes. Okay, so p1 dot x1 and p1 dot x2 should be 1. They should be greater than x minus 1 less than x plus 1, right? X plus 1. So you're just saying that there's an xy coordinate. So less than, yeah, and the x condition, this should be greater than x minus 1, less than Yep, x plus 1. Okay. And again, greater than y uh, y minus 1 and less than y plus 1, I'm guessing. So that way what will happen if p1 or px is less than x minus 1, so if it's greater than x minus 1, so this is an and in the middle, right? So p1 or x1, I'm gonna keep this on the right for a second. If p1 or x1 is greater than ch dot x plus 1, or so we listed the negative conditions, right? x1 is less than ch dot x minus 1. Okay, there we go. I think it understood. So this is p1 dot x, p1 dot. Let's not continue. This is invalid. Okay. So else if p dot x2 is greater than okay. So don't do anything if these are the problems, right? So don't do anything. So these are the negative conditions. So you've got p1 or x if the so we're checking if p1s if p1 does not lie in it, then we have a problem. If p2 does not lie in it, we have a problem. If p1 lies in it, if so first x, does it lie in it? If it lies in it, then this is absolutely shit. This was a stupid fucking idea. I don't know why I did like this, but we're doing this. Okay. If x1 lies in it, push back, go ahead. If x2 lies in it, push back, go ahead. Okay. And I'm gonna quickly create a breakpoint here and see what numbers come through. There are only two numbers. This is absolutely no. This because I'm stopping the for loop. But it already has two numbers. 0 and 183. What's the point? 1 second. What happens if I press F? What happens if I press F8? F10. Sorry. What a chart. Oh. Let's just stop first. Let's just go ahead and delete this. Let's go over here and paste that here. Okay. I'm gonna just stop that. We're gonna go over here. No. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here. We're gonna do an F10. So Y1X20. So it should contain 415, 31, 183. $31 and $873 are there. It didn't check the full adjacency. Why? It only checked 31. Oh no, that's correct. Why would 415 be there? That is correct. Right? Yeah. So for each. So let's go ahead and first go ahead and then we're gonna go down to J. We're gonna do an I and sum is equal to 0. Sum plus. We should be fine. It's supposed to be a bigger number, isn't it, though? It seemed to have worked, but the sum seems really small, doesn't it? We'll check it. If it says the sum is really low, then I'm just gonna try it with the long int and see what's going on. 566530657. It's probably gonna say it's very low. Isn't it? Because it seems very low. Not right. Yeah, you're too low. Um, I think let me just do a long int sum. Oh. Did I destroy it again? 7. What was my answer? Yeah. No. Okay, so let's see if it's actually getting all the characters properly. So what would be another good example? What would have 4 things around? Oh, I'm sorry. What would have 4 things around it? Okay, here we go. No. Um. That was up and down. Give me something diagonal. The dollar is diagonal. It starts around 707 and 893. Actually, let's put it to the right and do 1 by 1. Okay, so 415 is supposed to have 31, 183. There's nothing on the diagonal except that, right? Or did I get the question wrong? I swear I forgot the question wrong. I'm a bit pissed. See, it says 467, 114, 35. It's just 1. See, 114 is not. Yeah, so it's just 1 adjacency. So we should be good. So for this one, the first one, it should have 31 and 837. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that pass. Oh, it went to the third chart as well. I was slow. So the point is at, right? Interesting. So you go to start again. Why is it not stopping here? Oh. X44 Y1. I'm getting 627 and 784 that did. Well, okay. It's the sum of all the numbers, right? Or have I got something wrong? Number seems 3-digit max. What's the size right now? 1,650. Okay, looks like we're asking for help finally. Do I not have ChatGPT on this? Oh my god, I think I don't have Copilot on. Like, I should have Copilot, right? The Copilot was screwing me earlier. L. Damn it. Damn it, I hate everything. I mean, I think I'm correct, but there's only one way to find out. I mean, if I was correct, I would have gotten the right answer. But, I mean... And I just realized I could do all of that while reading. I don't know why I did all of that as a separate for loop. I mean, it's not that high impact because it's still an O of N, but it's just still very irritating. I'm not sure if this has been a very quiet stream or not. I'm pretty sure this has been a very quiet stream, like just me doing this shit. What? Waiting for processors to shut down. What process does it want me to shut down? ID 1304. Oh. There we go. What was it, a compiler running in the background? I don't know, but this is still irritating us so. This is why we have to keep Microsoft Visual Studio to keep on again getting restarting our laptops because it just doesn't know how to be compiling this shit and it fucking hurts. I need to get Glue and an LSP that is gonna be a nice little one, that's for sure. But I'm still bad at making all the little things and I like the visual attention, so I'm gonna keep on sticking to it even though it's not the best for my reflection. Opening just 2022. It's Visual Studio 17 as well. Ugh. That's the most irritating part. Okay. Jesus. Ooh. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for being less degrading now. Okay. Now where were we? We need we need Copilot, right? Where's Copilot chat? Window. There we go. However, there seems to be a mistake in the way you're checking. Just you're only checking the start and end points of the numbers, but not the points in between. If a number spans multiple characters and special characters, it's adjacent to the middle of the character. Code will not consider the number as adjacent. Wait, what? The number spans multiple characters and special character, and the special character. Okay. What do you mean by this? If you want to, however, there seems to be a mistake in the way you're checking adjacency. Special point P. What the fuck? Wait. Okay, Peter X1, Peter X2. If Wait, what? But there is no number that does that. One second. What does this give me? Does this give me a bigger number? Nope. It literally gives me the same fucking number. It quite literally gives me the same number. like look at this. 536657. 536657. What? The special character can be a slash, though. Oh my god. Mm. What song was this? This is a lo-fi version of some song that I know. Some Halsey song. No, no, no. No, no, no. I really wish there was like a Discord that I could fuck around with. what do you do it differently? No, processing lines is also happening the same way. We have got all the numbers, that's for sure. So that should be fine. He's just doing it a little differently. He's just saying, hey, a number string is like that. So while J. I should really put the J as less line. Fine, we'll take the spot. I'll give it that. This is much safer code. No. But it does not take the end of J. It's only taking the start, so that means it'll take, like, over here, a. Nah, I like my code better. Fuck. I still like my code better. Did I copy the whole thing wrong? It's 140 lines. Still 140 lines. There seems to be a new line. Wait, what just happened? No, that's correct. Yeah, that's not gonna be an issue as well. Mhm. Let's look at this equal to sign, which comes on um, line 10. So let's do a conditional breakpoint where don't even okay, do that. I mean, we can. Ch dot x is equal to 10. Are we saving ch wrong? Possibly. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, it really doesn't look like it. Oh my god, debugging is one of the most boring things to watch on planet Earth. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh, that way we can find an overload. Alright? Let's ask for help. Mm. Too high. Oh my god, I'm just being silent debugging like a crazy maniac. This is gonna make me look bad. Because like I know what's wrong over here. For some reason it's skipping. I'm just don't know why. I properly how to like kind of go through these loops. So if you look at over here, there's 0, you go 1, 2, 3. I wanted to stop at 2. Right? Because right now zero, 1, 2, 3. So subtracting this. And this should be fitting here. Mm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line number 4. So to get to line number 4. Okay. 0. 1, 2, 3. What just happened? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? 536. What? 5 4. What? What am I doing wrong? Continue. Should go 4, 6, 7. 35. So let's look at the valid noms. The valid noms have 1, 2, 8, 9. We've got 9. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This goes up to 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10. And the two not valid, 10, 9, 8. So we've got 9 over here. But which is not supposed to be there. So we know 114 and 58 are not supposed to be there. 114 and 58. Where did you get this number from? Where did you get 5? Okay. Okay. 755 supposed to be there. Oh, 644 got repeated again. But why? What are points? Point size is 10, which is correct. There are no repeated numbers. Why is it repeating numbers here? Why are we repeating numbers here? I have genuinely no idea. Well, we are checking the numbers again and again, so there is a particular thing that is adjacent to 2 numbers, which is the dollar sign. Yep. Dollar sign and the star. So we are kind of fucking that up. I have been here for how long? I want to see how long I've been streaming. I've genuinely no idea. How do I see how long I've been streaming? If I open it in big mode, I can see the chat. I mean, 3 hours is not bad. 3 hours is definitely not bad. But yeah, the problem is over here for sure. So it does not like for each point. I'm just gonna use a simple fucking trick. Like points. This is the this is the best shit you can do. But it works if it works. It works, bro. No, once again. Oh, can I just can I do and? Can I just do a okay, I'm not gonna get shit. Okay. I'm gonna quickly Imagine I would have done this like normal as arrays version of it. Would have been so much more easy to right now remove the points. I didn't have to rewrite the code so much. That would have been like so nice. Oh, so you're reporting as fucking. Oh wow. Refresh chat. Okay, no more chat. Finally. God. Fucking finally. Get your puzzle input. Isn't this gonna be too low? I think it's gonna be too low. No, it's too high. Why would be too high? What's the number of valid points? Yeah, I got the. This answer is correct. This answer is definitely correct. Hmm. That's interesting. Not my style, but hmm. Someone tell music, huh? Jennifer, 25, 6 or so, yeah. So I've got too many numbers. Is there an edge case that I'm missing in this ABB box collider section? Okay, we're saying if no. Minus. Let's just try to negate this and see what is the last number that's kind of taking. We shouldn't take any more duplicates, that's for sure. So 1,500, whatever. And according to me, the last numbers should be 883 and 669, 699. So 833 plus 699. Is it one? Yeah, it is 1532. What am I doing wrong? It's got 739 special characters. Mm. I fucking don't know. I genuinely don't know. There's some repetitions, maybe. If the numbers between those two, it'll be kind of funny. No, that's not the Ivan code site. That's my stream. There we go. That is not the right answer, but tell me. Okay. So let's go boarding. Can somebody help me fix my shit, man? Day 4. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go to Hopkins. Thingy channel. I don't want date part 2. I want D2 part. I don't want. Wait, what? Okay, string tokenizers. I don't want a string tokenizer. Read file sync. This is C#, isn't it? God, C#. Day 3. I'm so close to it. This is day 2. Who has the date today? Give me day 3. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just gonna do these 3. Okay. But that's good. Well, that one worked for me so quickly. The day 2 one was so easy, man. Ugh. The day 2 one was so easy. This day 3 is being such a pain for me. Finally did day 12. Oh shit, this is the old one. I think it just should have. Jesus Christ, this guy has to goddamn use Go. What is he using? Rust. This man's using Rust. Crust. God damn it. Oh, he's using Rust. The fact that I can do this is funny. Yeah, Fizzbuzz. Counter.cv. Yeah, let's go check out. Maybe he's going in his GitHub. Your GitHub profile. Polish boy. Come on, give me advent of code. There we go. My solutions 2022. Yo, I'm on 2023, mate. See, it's T3, T4, T5. Oh my god. Can somebody give me their solution? God, this is so irritating. Part 2, part 1 is mine. I mean, C++ gives users the freedom to write their own code however they please. True! Um, mm, day 3? Where? I'm on day 3 because get set bit. Okay, that's funny. You usually get set bit. Elf number. Oh yeah, this is number 1. Alright. Yeah, visit site. I don't care right now. I just need the solution, mate. Yo, I'm never doing that shit. Okay. This is for the animation. Can advent of code? Could you do me a favor and just give me the freaking thing? I'm on day 3, right? Imagine I'm not on day 3 and I'm just being a fucking dickhead, telling people, "Hey, not give me the fucking." Because day 2 is easy as shit. Day 2 is absolutely, yeah. This is day 3. This is absolutely day 3. Day 3 solutions. Give me C++ or give me that. All right. Cool. What is this? Solve one. He's just using regex. Why are you using regex? Why is he doing line size +2? What just happened? It hit 0 breakpoints. It absolutely hit 0 breakpoints. What is going on? Five, 6, 8, 7. Okay, for that one, it's weird. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, let's stop. Did it not close file? Oh, I didn't close file. Huh. Should probably try to close file. That seems like a good idea. Four, 3, 6, 1. 4, 3, 6, 1. That is correct. Get your puzzle input. So the puzzle input is correct. What am I missing? Control A, Control V. Is something doubling up? That's my question. Okay, so we're getting numbers as they come. There's no way the numbers are doubling up. Five, 4, 6, 8, 7. 5, 4, 6, 8, 7.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh wow, it just gets loud, huh? Let's do some Whiskey Blues. Okay, that started off good. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. 5, 4, 6, 8, 7 has been tried before 100 times, and this is kinda shitty. Okay. Please wait 5 more minutes before trying. Yeah. That's not fun.
Slightly hungover. Slightly hungover you. I'd be lying, baby, if I said it wasn't true.
I'm gonna come back after 5 minutes and I'm gonna see what's going on.
Slightly hungover. Maybe slightly blue. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue. I never had the blues, baby, before I met you. slightly hung over you. Slightly hung over, slightly hung over you. You shouldn't lie, baby, no, no, to someone who loves you, and I do. Morning after,
He is using an adjacency string.
after you. Morning after you. Morning won't last forever, and I'll be over you.
What is this shit?
And I'll be over you. And I'll be over you.
$135.
It's a
598.
pity. Low down and dirty shame. Lord, it's a pity. Low down and dirty shame. Tell me, how can a poor man make it? I said, when money is the name of the game. I used to have the best credit every place in town. I signed my name, no money down. Things done got tough, y'all, and old Buster needs some. Now my name won't even buy me a piece of bubble gum. It's a pity.
Starting character in the distance.
Low down and dirty shame. Tell me, how can a poor man make it? I said, when money is the name of the game.
Ah, still the same goddamn answer.
So bad, baby, yeah. lunch and meat, but they got me looking for gas. It's a pity, yeah. Low down and dirty shame. Oh Lord, baby, tell me how can a poor man make it? I say when money is the name of the game. I need some, baby. I know. Oh Lord, yeah. We talking about crumbs.
Talk about crumbs.
Don't forget about the frame.
That's one way to put it.
Tell me how
And a poor man.
make it? Hey.
Ugh.
I said when money, yeah, is the name.
5, 4, 6, 8, 7, 7. That's the only answer I'm getting. I don't know why. Why is this stuck over there? I don't know. I mean, like, look at this. Does it still work? 5, 3, 6, 1. That's correct. Oh. 5, 6, 8, 7, 7. I'm trying it once more. That's not the right answer. If you're stuck, make sure you're using the full data input. But there are also some general tips about page you should can ask in the subreddit because you've guessed it correctly 6 times. I'm asking the subreddit.
I haven't seen any rain dragging around a ball and chain.
Doing wrong.
I haven't seen any rain dragging around a ball and chain. Angel says it's 11:15. I'll catch the next elevator to heaven.
I'm done for the day, guys.
Time can be a second, can be a minute, an hour, or even a day.
Thank you for participating. This was a good day.